I'm Kenna, and this is Kenna's Kitchen Corner, and today I'll be sharing 3 tips about what you should do before you start baking. First, you should wipe down your whole area. I recommend Clorox wipes because it dries fast and it just cleans up all the stuff on your counter. Second, I get out all the ingredients before you start cooking. I use these measuring big bowls so you're just all ready before you start cooking. I also use these tiny bowls for your pinches of salt, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda. Third, I always have my recipe before I start because you want to make sure what you're doing is right and you don't mess up your whole what you're baking. These are 3 tips about what you should do before you start baking. Bye!